Okay guys, we are here again, and now I want to show you how to can edit a track, an audio track, and how you can use in different ways. Well, first of all, we want the simple way, so you can choose the tools about to editing and how you can start recording, so it's going to be more easy. Because if you don't know and if you want to record and start to learn everything in the same moment that your record is going to be very difficult and it's going to take too much time. So it's better when you learn new things, when you learn new programming and you learn tools, and after you can start to work like more relaxing, and you know you can what are you doing. So okay, let's go to the tools. This is very important. Let's go to the tools. First of all, well, it's very important to have a good view of what you're doing. So if you want to come closer to the track or go small to the track, you have the option to come here. You just click in where I'm talking about the Nuendo things. That is the same. It's exactly the same for the Cubase. So when you know Cubase or you know Nuendo, you can use the both. So each program is a little different. So if you have a different program, you have Pro Tools, or you have like I don't know, Pyramid Logic. It's a little different, but it's going to be the same. In the speaking, technically speaking, only the tools or the image is going to be in a different location or ways. So for example, here, if you want to go to closer, you just come here, the tab, click with the left mouse, and you can make bigger. If you rush down the mouse, or if you go up, it's going to be more smaller. No, come here, and with a click left, you can slow down the mouse, and it's going to be more bigger. If you want to go more smaller, the same to up. Click here and go up, and it's going to be more small. No, this is one of thing that you can choose to make the view if you want to be more bigger or smaller. Another things that you have here is that you can choose a part, or you can not delay the part, but you can move about the track. Where do you want to start, when do you want to finish? For example, if you want to come here, you don't want this part, for example, no, because my boss, for example, is starting here, but you think that is too long, you don't want this part. So you just come here and you can left to the right, and now it's going to start from here. But you have to know that this part that I take off is not delayed, it's just there, just I'm moving where I want to start the track, but it's still there. So you have the option that if you want to go back, you just slow, you can move the track to the left or to right. If you want to take more of the track, you can hear more all this part, for example, no? So this is a way that you can choose exactly where do you want to start your track. It's the same for the right side. You come here, you can move, no? For example, you don't want this part, you can just move to the cursor to the left, and you can choose here. Instead to the left, you can choose to here. So you have this part that is complete, no? Only the words or the instrument that you want to choose. There's another way to do the same. That is using a tool that is the scissors. You come to the scissors and you can cut here. So now it's cutting. So you have like an independent track. You can also you can move this. No, you can move the bows. You can do more things. But even if you cut this and you delete, you have to know that if I delete part, if I come and if I move to the side, it's going to be again this part there. So I didn't take off. I just it's like say I didn't destruct the track. The track is going to be there. I'm just editing, But the original track is going to be always in the full version. That is all the things, all the track, I'm editing or modified the track in the session. So if I cut and delete, I want to move, it's gonna be there. So you don't have to problem with that. You just edit, But the original track is always gonna to be there. So this is a thing that you can do, no? For example, you have to cut, if you want to cut there, and you want to cut here too. You can come, you can move. You just using the parts where there's recording, and you are take off the parts that is not sound. Maybe there is a noise you want to take off. For example, I don't know. If you are here, you want to talk, you want to take out because there is a noise or something, so you can come and take off. And if you don't like, you can come back. So this is for the tools. Or for example, if you want to move because when you're recording the I don't know the bass or the guitar or the vocals, maybe you are some delays and you want to put in the side in the time, you can move to put the track in the times. Be careful because sometimes when you open for first time the Nuendo or your program, it's going to come with the option that you have this or no. So if you have this is I don't know how I'm sorry I don't know what's the name in English. It means that you can just move for blocks. You don't can move like as software we do before. It's just coming for compass or for bar. It's automatically. So if you want to move a lot of tracks in the same time, just come and move a bar, a bar, no? But if you just move a little bit, just a slow part, come here and you can move very slow where you want to put. If you don't, if you just want to move like one bar, two bars, come here and you have this type of move. The other thing that you can do is, for example, if you want to how to say to glue the tracks. For example, if you for example, let's go. See, you have these vocals, and I want to delay all this part. I want to put these vocals here. I want to put near, but when you have to know when you cut, you will have this small pace that is cut, and sometimes it's going to be like a noise when you come. It will be like a click or a pop something, no? Not always, but sometimes yes, because there's a cutting, so you don't want to hear the cut. So if you don't want to hear the cut, you can make a crossfader. It means that it's like you put a fade out volume here and another here in the same time, so it's made the track sounds like glue. So for that, you choose the two tracks and you press X in the keyboard X, and it's going to be a fade out that is here. No, now the two tracks going to be like the transition. The track is going to be more soft, and you will not have this click. And if you don't have here, if you want to give manually, you can do another way. That is just come here in the left part of the track, and you can move the volume like this. Another part like this, and you can put Soberway here like this. But it's not going to sound so well, it can work. Or if you want just be independently each track, you can leave this space here, but you can use the crosser from here and the fade out from here, and it's going to sound okay. But if you want to both in the same place like glue, so select 2 and press X, and it's going to be with a fade out. So you will have you will not have clicker or pops there. Okay, I hope you like it. Let's go to the next tutorial.